Okay guys, workout is done. So it's time for my green smoothie. And what I do, and I'll show you how to do this later at the end of the video, is I freeze bananas so that they don't go bad. It's summertime, so they do go bad. And let me turn, that's a half a banana. Then I'll turn on my scale. Turn on my scale. I got 0, 0. I do 50 grams of dark. 50 grams. Oh, we're on ounces. Hold on. Oh, yep. 50 grams of cherries. That's it. And another 50 grams here of blueberries. 30, 40, 50. Oh my gosh, exactly on 50. Then a whole bunch of greens. Now for the protein, if you're doing a protein smoothie, I don't even weigh that because greens are freebies. Don't forget, you can have as much greens as you want. You can either, if you're not doing protein powder, you could do hemp seeds, has protein, actually really great for the brain, lots of healing properties. You could do that. Today I'm doing my protein. I have a vegan protein today, so I'm doing that. And it's supposed to be 30 grams. 1 scoop. All right, and then I add my water. Oh my gosh, I totally almost forgot my secret recipe, or my secret weapon is a lemon wedge. And I put the whole thing in there, including, without the seed, but including the skin. You could put the whole, I gotta take the seed out. But it turns every smoothie out and makes it way better. If you don't have fresh lemons, you could use doTERRA. You could use lime doTERRA. You could use essential oils. All right, I spared you from the loud noise of the Vitamix, but here's my cherry, blueberry, lemon, kale smoothie with protein. Delicious. Like I said, you could do hemp if not, and I'll show you how I put all the bananas together in the freezer so they don't stick. Alright guys, I store my bananas in the freezer. This is how I do it. I take a baking sheet, and that way I don't need ice in my smoothie, which is nice. And I don't put like a whole, you saw I only did 50 grams of 50 grams of cherries and blueberries, but I store them in here like that so they don't stick together. And then I put it in the freezer, let them freeze, then put them in my Ziploc baggie. And it's ready to go, just like that. Isn't it cute? That way, in the summertime, when the weather is hot and your bananas are freezing, are spoiling fast, and you're getting all these gnats and fruit flies everywhere, just like that. That's it. All right, hopefully that tip helps you. See you later.